Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I bring you the latest WhatsApp features, most of which you actually don't know. And I'm going to be starting with the most interesting part, like the one I find very interesting. Do you know you can now lock your chats, like individual chats? I'm not talking of everything. Yeah, when you open your WhatsApp, most times you can lock so that nobody can have access to your messages and all of that. But at the same time, you can lock that and still lock your chat individually. So all you need to do is you click on the particular chats you want to lock, especially your best friend's chat. We all know when you open our best friend's chat, girl, no, it's a no-go area. So click under your best friend's chat now and go to the best friend profile. You're going to see chat lock. Just click on it and now you can lock that particular chat. You can either lock with your face ID or you can lock with your passcode. So thank me later. So now let's move to the next feature, and the next feature will be making a video voice note. Guys, I find this so very interesting because yeah, we all know that on the norms you can make a normal voice note, but now you can actually make a video voice note also. So if you want to make your normal voice note, you can just easily long click on the microphone there and you make a normal voice call. Your normal voice note. But if you want to make a video voice note, you have to first tap on the microphone icon and it will turn into a camera. Now you click on that camera or you don't click on it and then it will turn into a video voice note. So you can actually now make your video voice note. Now let's move to the next feature, and the next feature will be editing sent message. Now, instead of deleting the message you've sent already because you noticed one or two mistakes, you can easily just edit that message. So let me show you how to do it. You no longer need to delete or making other people notice, oh, you made a mistake or something like that. You can just easily edit your message. All you need to do is long click on that message and you're going to see the option for edit. Click on that option for edit and correct whatever thing you want to correct there on that message, and then you just press send. And you change the previous message you sent to the now edited message. So yeah, you can thank me later. So now let's move to the next feature, and the next feature will be transferring of chats. You know, you can now transfer your chats. You can either transfer to an Android or you can transfer to an iPhone. All you need to do is to go into your settings, you click on chats and then you scroll down, you're going to see transfer chat. So you click on any of the options you want. It's either an Android or an iPhone. You can thank me later. And lastly, you can now start up your own community on WhatsApp. You can create a community on WhatsApp that you can just easily send announcements to. Now your communities like maybe neighborhoods or school or whatever would now have their own space on WhatsApp. Isn't that interesting? And these features are really interesting. But do you know the most annoying part of this whole thing? The most annoying part of it is that it doesn't work on business WhatsApp. It only works on WhatsApp Messenger. That is the normal WhatsApp. The only one of these features that work on business WhatsApp is the edited message, when you want to edit your message. Yeah, that one works on both the normal WhatsApp and the business WhatsApp. But the remaining features only works on the normal WhatsApp. So please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, thank you for 1,000 subscribers. Also, I will keep saying, if you're a returning viewer, trust me, we love and appreciate you. Thank you for always coming back to check out our videos. And if you're a new viewer, thank you for opening our videos. We hope, I will pray you open our other videos because we have lots of amazing content on our videos. So thank you. We hope to see you on all of our videos. Please don't forget to like, and your comment is very important. Thank you. Have an amazing day. Bye.